25-year-old guy na hindi nakapaglaro ng PS4, should I buy a PS4 in 2025? Let's do it. After that, guys, we're gonna talk about bakit PS4 bibili ko. Because I don't know why. Kasi many people said, oh, you should buy PS5 because PS4 was released like 10 years ago, like that. I thought 10 years ago talaga it was PS3 yung nag-release, but no, it's actually PS4. Akala ko lang talaga, okay? Akala ko lang talaga. So, PS5 was released 5 years-ish ago. I think it was way back 2020 pandemic era. So, that's why naalala ko parang, oh my God, yeah, PS4 is like released like 10 years ago for what I remember. Because I can basically buy a PS5. But, guys, I know, masabi ko lang, but I should buy a PS4 because PS4 is actually like, there's so many games on PS4, okay? There's so many games like, I never, hindi pa ako nakahawak ng PS4 when I was like high school and college, senior high school, man. I basically watched some YouTuber na nag-ano sa PS4 was my dream talaga magkaroon ng PS4, but ayun nga, but syempre nag-aaral pa tayo, we cannot have some budget like that, but now I could buy a PS4. PS5 maybe 5 years, baka 5 years pa ba ako makatipon kasi na bibili ka ng PS4 in 2025, but we gonna buy some, of course, with the power of technology. So guys, it's kinda wala tayong makita ng dito, but I think sa Shopee, well mostly naman sa dito sa Pilipinas, Shopee, Lazada, right, is gonna use, but we should tingnan natin kung meron doon PS4 console. Round 1 is actually a around 10K because of its use. So okay lang sa akin. I don't know if it's good or not, but use PS2 second hand naman, it's actually good naman if it's not scratch or walang sira naman. But we just found one, guys. I don't know if it's legit or not, but I just nilagay ko talaga is inad to cart ko muna, both of them with with a game. So yung unang binili ko, alam niyo naman, we cannot play PS4 without games, right? Is of course Tekken 7, okay? Tekken 7 is actually good. Man, I played Tekken 7 on PC. I wish I could play it on PS4, but guys, I do hope na maka natin. We just bought it naman, and tingnan natin kung makadating ilang araw and if it's legit or not. I hope so. No, PS4 in 2025, we're gonna review it, guys. Hintay naman tayo, but yun nga, let's see.
A few moments later.
So, nagtaka ako bakit ilang araw hindi pa na-ship yung order ko. So, okay. They just said na kaya pala hindi nag-ship out yung order ko kasi their last stock ng PS4 Slim ay nasira siya, nag-malfunction kasi hindi gumagana yung disc. So, I said, oh my God, wala magawa po paraan kung kasi bayad na po ako. God, so they said they will i-refund nila, but I don't want to kasi ayaw ko maghanap pa ng ibang shop, and because it's in other shop is way too expensive, not too expensive pero mas makita ko sa itong shop ito was affordable. Okay, so yun na nagka-problema ako.
As I scroll on Shopee, this happened.
Guys, they said new stock. Meron po silang new stock. There's some new stock. They said there's gonna be a new stock today. So may papunta pa lang, so that we can ship your order tomorrow. Ooh! So basically they have a stock. They have a new stock parating. Okay. Hope na dumating na. Excited na. Guys, kagagising ko lang. But, nagsabi na sila few days. Yun nga. And yung funny thing is that the Tekken CD is on the way delivering na. Okay guys, we do have the CD. So meron na tayong CD na to and it was delivered today. And yun nga, nauna pa yung CD. Sabi ko sa'yo, nauna pa yung CD kasi sa PlayStation 4. But we gonna open it if it's legit or not. But let's gonna see. Okay guys, here's the parcel. So tingnan natin kung legit ba o hindi. Tinatapon na nila. Ewan ko kung bakit. But I do hope na hindi na nasira yung CD dito. But open it and we got a physical copy of Tekken 7. Oh wow. This is my first time owning a Tekken 7. I mean my own copy of this CD. So wala man siyang there's nothing wrong about it, but let's see if there's something. Okay, wala siyang, there's no menu ang tinatawag dito na like menu here. But the CD, check it out. I do hope the CD is not that walang gasgas. Ooh. What the fuck? I mean, slightly gasgas na naman, right? Slightly ba? No, makikita mo yung gasgas. So, that's not good. So, I mean, it's used. So, it's used. So, I don't think so na maano natin. But I do hope it works naman. So, we're gonna wait the PS4 na lang bukas. Guys, good morning. So, it's officially June 16. Pasukan naman. And it's gonna be a busy day right now. But, today is the day na ipapadala nila yung PS4 ko, which is I'm excited kung dadating na ba ngayon or mamaya pa hapon. But yun nga, breakfast muna tayo and let's see kung dadating na yung PS4 ko. So can't wait. I guess just finished my breakfast, tapos na ako kumain. I'm just watching a Nanogenics squad, Mario Kart World Rumble Legends. So ngayon ko pala panood, but yun nga, I'm just waiting for the parcel kung dumating and I'm very excited. Hindi ko alam kung I hope it's working well kasi ay pinakita naman yung seller sa akin na gumagana naman, but I do hope na gumagana siya sa CD kasi yung CD na yun, yung Tekken na CD he only showed me the proof of pictures, so wala yung video. So that's gonna be na-doubt lang ako, okay? But I do hope gumana naman. If dumating na guys, syempre video natin, react natin. Video natin talaga yun. But who knows guys? Dumating na! So we're gonna fucking open it. Pasensya sa words ko, but I'm very excited guys. So we're gonna open it right now. So ito na yung I'll put here my camera. So makita nyo lang kung ano nasa box. So this is the box. And it's so heavy. Guys, so ito, fragile. So, open it slightly. So here's the box. The thing is that medyo maano-ano lang yung box. Let's see. I don't like it. I don't like the box as well, but I do hope na walang. Wait guys, there's a free 2K18 Kyrie, and oh my god guys, tingnan nyo, holy shit, it's actually amazing. Wow, this is a PS4. This is a camo, so napansin nyo. We're gonna check the tingnan natin. It's not in great condition. I mean, nakikita nyo? It's actually good. The controller is good. Controller is good. Okay, controller is good. We had an HDMI port. Oh no, this is a USB para sa no charge. This is a charger, right? This is a charger. A power supply and HDMI. So guys, we're gonna check it right now. Moment of truth. So this is the power button. It's gonna work. Yes! Oh my god. Oh wait, the controllers. Oh wait. My first time of using this, but I don't know how. Okay, so skip. Oh wow, man. Wait lang. I have this one. So meron ako. Oh, may biscuit ako dito. Sorry guys. But I have this one. So we're gonna check the Tekken 7 if it's okay. Honestly, the PS4 is good, and they gave me the free 2K18, which is good naman. So I'm gonna try the game at walang sound. So my monitor doesn't have any sound. So that's kind of sucks. But yeah. Okay. We're gonna insert it. Ooh. Okay. It does read. Let's read. Damn. Slim is actually good. There's no sound. Okay. 10 give! 10 fucking give! But guys, we're gonna wait naman. But let's see naman, okay? If you heard Timmy sound, it sounds like an engine, but it's not as loud. And you can see here my setup. And forget about that. Grabe na to. But here's my setup. So they gave me a free NBA 2K18, which is good because I don't have any games to play yung when I would gonna play because nandito si LeBron sa Cleveland pa, so I would gonna play with this one also, and really glad, but ang tagal naman, but it's take so long, but okay lang. So here's my setup guys, so tignan nyo lang. Gusto talaga umiyak guys, man. You know, it's better to buy a PS5 because it's latest, but you know, I gusto talaga magka PS4 since PS4 release is the best console. Aside from PS2, you know, gusto talaga ilaro yung mga games na gusto ko ilaro, man. Like some horror games or stuff like this Tekken 7, like Red Dead Redemption 2. Man, so many games that I want to play na pinapanood ko lang sa YouTube. Ngayon I could play right now. I could visit play. And I'm very excited guys. Oh my God. Parang iyak na talaga ako sa sobrang tuwa, man. It takes so long, like my inner child has been healed. You know, aside from buying a toys collection like that, you know, buying a PlayStation, a console, man, it really helps me a lot. It heals my inner child. You know, you can buy anything right now. Sabihin ko lang dati, I can buy anything right now. I can buy anything. But wow, such a blessing naman na you know, kasi hiya na ako dati kasi hirap naman kasi humingi kay mama naman, like especially when nasira yung cellphone ko, humingi ako sa kanya. Then right now I could buy my own stuff right now, and syempre babawi din ako kay mama naman, nanay rin. But man, I'm excited to see. So 6 minutes na lang, 4 minutes, 6 gig, 4 gig to go. Okay guys, I'm in. Wait na. Let's see, man. Kung such a good. Oh my god. So okay naman. I'm from Asia. English. Okay, this will take so long kasi nilaro ko to sa PC and I was scrolling down hanggang ano natin. 10. That's a lot of scrolling. And here. Okay. Let's try A. Oh, it's not yet finished, but we're gonna do an arcade. Okay. So guys, I will do a separate video on sa Tekken 7 na to gameplay. But yun nga kasama with pinsan ko, so I will vlog this. But you know guys, having this PlayStation is actually amazing. I will give this rate 10 out of 10 sa seller. Because how he managed to, you know, ayos niya yung PlayStation and it safely, mas ayos ba yun, and he gave me free game, which is good. The Tekken 7 is actually good then. The CD gumana naman kahit paano. PlayStation's good. Here's the setup, guys. But you know guys, I will do a separate vlog of this. But yun nga guys, you know, having PlayStation 4 in 2025, masabi nyo, man, oh my god, you should makatipon ka sa 2025 ng PS5. You know, PS5 is 5 years and PlayStation was like 10 years ago, like that. But you know, hindi naman tayo lahat parehas, di ba? Hindi naman tayo same, you know, money naman. But you know, after years, baka makabili ako ng PS5. Baka lang. But guys, I'm gonna play this one. You know, it heals my inner child. You know, I could play any games na PS4 I want. You know, but anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host Dan, and see you next video. Bye.